Hey, yeah, no, no.
Everyone, I am in the kitchen right now. This is my grandparents' kitchen. So, okay. You know what? I just told that we are going to be making ramen. So, and my grandparents are gonna try it. It's this one. Oh my god. I'm always scared of doing this because, yeah. Okay, I'm back with scissors now and a tripod so I can cook peacefully. Okay. If you're wondering why I'm here, I'm at my grandparents' house for my holidays. Oh, shoot. Hey, who cares? And we're gonna let that boil. I'll let that cook and I'll be back. I'm standing on a stool right now so I can touch. Oh my god, that's so hot. Anyways, we're waiting for the ramen to cook. I told my grandma that she can come and see and say hi, but she's like, no. We're gonna catch me. Hidden camera. Ajji! Come here once. इथे ये एकदा. Okay, she's not gonna come anytime soon, so let's just kidding. It's taking an awful lot of time to cook. Didn't expect anyone to make a video of just eating ramen. That's my specialty. I've made one video already while eating ramen. See, this is how tall I become when I stand on the stool. You want me to become shorter? Okay. I just sat on the stool. This is how tall I am. I can already touch it. But when I stand up, it's like a whole new level. Next level. Hi. Caught you! नाही. हॅलो. Don't go. ते काय
मी कशाला करू
खूप वेळ लागायला शिजायला.
असं मोठं पाणी जास्त टाकली अशी
पाणी लावल्यानंतर मी हे केलेलं त्याला. पाणी बॉईल झालेलं एकदा ऑलरेडी.
लहान चांगला उकळवला त्याला पिसेस
मी स्वतः लावले ते स्टँड. बरं केलं ना. असं नुसतं लावलं असतं तर ते पडलं असतं.
पाहिजे तुला
येस. नाही चाकू कशाला पाहिजे. अनलेस मला तुला मर्डर करायचं नाही. ए लागलं असतं आजी ते आता. गिव्ह इंट्रोडक्शन प्लीज. वाय
त्याच्यामुळे तिलाच करू.
Okay, her name is Sumitra and she is my auntie, aka grandmother. ते मी करते. हे तेल आहे माहिती आहे. आता पाणी काढायचं. दोन कोणतं होतं. I took help from my grandmother and now we're gonna add seasoning packets. She strained it for me. And now we're going to be. Oh my god, that just hit me suddenly, like the smell. I don't know what got into me. I think, oh my god, hold on. Very hot in the kitchen. Literally all of the smell is going in my nose. I feel like my tolerance is gone. It's probably because I'm like sweating, it's a small area. But I genuinely felt like some masala. Oh, this better not make me feel stuff. Because this thing is extra spicy though. It's almost the equivalent to the bulldog sauce. Oh shit, dude. So wrong. Okay. Since I am a word-less person, let me just throw it. Word of advice: never let it get to your hand. It didn't come out. Now I'm going to have to suffer. I'm gonna add some butter in this to hopefully make it less spicy. But let's see. Desi ghee to make it less spicy. निघत नाहीये का?
फ्रीजमध्ये ठेवलेलं असतं.
फ्रीज मध्ये कशाला ठेवलं तू?
छान असतं. एवढं टाकायचं.
Yes, yes, yes.
पाय.
Yes. Yeah. That's a good amount of butter.
अरे,
Yes, पुरे. आता बी रेडी तिखट खायला.
कोण मी?
Yeah. Yes, you said you will try it, आजी. प्रॉमिस नाही तोडायचं. खावं लागते आता. Okay, we're good. We're done. It's already hot enough to melt it by itself, so I'm gonna put it out in a bowl and we're done. He's gonna eat her first bite. ए जास्त खा थोडं.
छान छान. खा. ते कट करून टाक माझं. एवढं आहे का ते? हा?
मला आवडतं त्याचं फ्लेवर.
थोडं मीठ टाकून घे त्याच्यात. नाही. असंच इतकं तिखट.
Yeah, I add cheese, but we don't have cheese.
अगं पण म्हणावं की काल इतके फिरायला पण चीज न आणायला काय झालं?
काही नाही. I like it like this also.
ठीक आहे, खा.
कमी झालं
हा?
तुपच्यामुळे.
तूप किती छान आहे पण ताजं आहे, काल केलेलं. काय झालं? काय झालं?
काहीच तिखट नाही. मला होटांना पिलं, जिभेला काही नाही वाटायला.
आहे,
ते
आहे.
होट फाटलेले आहेत ना माझे,
नाही,
म्हणून
आहे, आहे.
नंतर लागते. मी असं कंटिन्युअस खायला लागलं मग लागतं पाणी आणते.